everyone, welcome to my Optimum Health God's Way YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at conquering kidney stones naturally. Kidney stones affect millions globally and are a significant health concern. In the United States, 1 out of 10 people are affected by kidney stones at some point of their lives. Kidney stones are more common in men than women. Kidney stones typically leave the body by passing in the urine stream. Many stones are formed in past without causing any symptom. However, if stones grow 2 to 3 millimeters, they start causing obstruction of the ureter. Diet high in animal protein, sodium, sugar, and low in calcium, and fluid or water intake, and lack of physical exercise or activity plays a significant role in kidney stone formation and elimination. Conditions like high blood pressure, obesity, and diabetes are associated with increased risk of kidney stone. Kidney stones can be a risk factor for chronic kidney disease and stage renal disease, cardiovascular disease. Now let's look at the definition of kidney stones. Kidney stones are hard deposits of minerals and salt that form in your kidneys. They develop when your kidneys fail to filter out certain substances like calcium, oxalate, a natural substance found in plant-based food like spinach, rhubarb, nuts, and uric acid found in red meat, alcohol, seafood, peas, and asparagus. When the levels of these substances become high and concentrated enough, they form crystals in your kidneys, which then can grow larger into stone over time. The color of the kidney stones can range from yellow, brown, black, and gray. Now let's look at signs and symptoms of kidney stones. Number 1, severe pain in the back, sides, abdomen, and groin. Number 2, a high temperature. Your body would feel warm. Number 3, feeling sweaty. Number 4, feeling sick, fever and chills, and nausea and vomiting. Number 5, urine infection or blood in the urine. Number 6, frequent urination or frequent urge to urinate. Number 7, urine color will be pink, red, or brown. Number 8, you will have cloudy urine or bad smelling urine, or both. Now let's look at effective method of healing. In order to effectively heal anything, in this case, kidney stones, number 1, we need to find out or ascertain the cause or causes. Number 2, we need to remove, change, and correct everything that causes. Number 3, we need to expel impurities, toxins, and waste left in the body. And lastly, we need to reestablish the right health principles. Let's look at the first effective method of healing, to ascertain or find out the cause or causes. Number 1, diet high in oxalates like spinach, beets, nuts, potatoes, rhubarb, soy products, sugar, dairy, and meat. Number 2, obesity is linked to higher levels of uric acid and oxalate in the urine. When you are obese, your insulin resistance is high. There is lower urine pH. That means it causes your urine to be acidic, that contributes to development of kidney stone. Number 3, some health conditions like high blood pressure, high blood sugar, high cholesterol levels, kidney cyst, inflammatory bowel disease, gout, obesity, dehydration, urinary tract infections, hypothyroidism, diabetes increase the risk of kidney stones. Number 4, physical inactivity. When we don't move around or exercise much, it increases the risk of obesity and related metabolic changes that cause high levels of uric acid and calcium in the urine. Number 5, certain medications and supplements like antacids, diuretics medications, some some antibiotics, medication like sulfonamides and ciprofloxacin, anti-seizure medication, gout medication, high dose of vitamin C, overuse of laxatives, or high amounts of calcium supplements. Number 6, insufficient hydration. That means when you don't drink enough water or don't have enough fluid in the body. Number 7, excessive sodium intake. Too much table salt can increase calcium level in the urine, promoting stone formation. Number 8, excessive uric acids. When you eat too much animal proteins like red meat, organ meats, shellfish, increase your uric acid levels, contributes to kidney stone formation. Number 9, alcohol causes dehydration, causes concentration of the minerals, and increased calcium excretion in the urine. Smoking decrease your urine flow and increase oxidative stress in the kidneys. And caffeine causes dehydration, so it concentrates the minerals in the urine, easier for minerals to crystallize and form stones. And sugar causes an increase of calcium in the urine, causes you to gain weight, causes you to be more insulin resistant, creates acidic urine environment that causes stone formation. Number 10, infections like urinary tract infections and other bacterial infections contributes to kidney stones. 11, sodas that are acidified with phosphoric acid like Coca-Cola. On top of that, the sugar and the caffeine in the sodas contributes to kidney stone formation. Number 12, injury. Blunt trauma, penetrating injuries like motor vehicle accidents, falls, or accidents from assaults or sports, or gunshot, stabbed wounds, kidney biopsies, and others. And injuries that obstruct the flow of urine, like a tumor or scar tissue, or acute kidney injuries from severe infections, severe dehydration, too much medications, or kidney diseases, or surgeries involving the urinary tract or digestive system, like gastric bypass surgery. The second effective method of healing is to remove, change, or correct, be it diet, habit, or lifestyle. If they cause kidney stone formation, we need to change, correct, and remove it. The third effective method of healing is to expel impurities, toxins, and waste that are left in the body due to the causes. Even after you correct, remove, and change everything that causes, I would like to share with you a simple and effective method of detox or cleansing. It takes 3 days, and on those 3 days, eat only watermelon, cantaloupe, and honeydew, or some cleansing vegetable juice like dandelion greens, lemons, cilantro, parsley, celery, coconut water, and others. Take no enema intestinal bowel cleansers like Cascara sagrada, Sana, psyllium husk, slippery yams, prune juice, tamarind juice, or any other natural laxatives, and take it a night before the day of your enema. Do enemas 3 times a day for 3 days. The solution for your enema, take a good-sized bulb of garlic, peel it, blend it with 2 cups of distilled water, squeeze 1 or 2 lemon and the juice, add to the garlic and water, and strain it, and use about 8 ounces of the solution for each enema, once in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. The last effective method of healing is to re-establish the right health principles. They promote good health, that means good blood and good circulation. And there are 8 of them. Number 1, godly trust. In Exodus 15:26, God says, I am the Lord that heals you. In Psalms 103 verse 3, the Lord heals all diseases, including kidney stones. So all we have to do is we ask Him to heal us, trust Him, and obey and follow His health principles like we obey doctor's orders. Number 2, open fresh air. Oxygen accelerates healing. Negative ions helps boost immune system. And spending time outdoors motivates you to be physically active. That is good for prevention and management of kidney stone to pass easily and that leads to healthier kidneys. And open fresh air encourages you to drink more water normally, which is very important for preventing and managing kidney stones. Number 3, daily exercise. According to UC Irvine Urology, increased physical activity can help facilitate the passage of kidney stones and helps with better kidney function, potentially helps reduce the risk of stone formation. And exercise helps improve blood flow to kidneys and enhances kidney function and helps manage risk factors like high blood pressure, high blood sugar, which are linked to kidney stones, and improves circulation, helps provide your kidney with enough oxygen and nutrients for healing, and helps reduce risk factor like obesity, high blood pressure and all, and helps move the stones without too much pain or too much discomfort. Number 4, sunshine. Vitamin D helps your body better absorb calcium, which helps lower or reduce the oxalate levels. As a result, it helps reduce the risk of stone formation. Number 5, proper rest. Enough sleep plays a crucial role in kidney function and pain management. Enough rest helps regulate blood pressure, reduce inflammation, support hormone balance, enhance immune function, promote cellular repair. All are beneficial for kidney health in preventing and managing kidney stone formation and related complications. Number 6, lots of water. According to Mason City Clinic, adequate hydration or drinking enough pure water is the key in preventing and managing kidney stones. So drink more water, about 8 to 12 cups a day, about 2 to 3 liters of water to dilute urine so crystals can't clump into stones. Number 7, always temperate. Practicing self-control or self-discipline is very helpful to avoid or shun harmful or unhealthy diet habit or lifestyle that cause kidney formation, and helps you obey or follow health principles to prevent kidney stones or to restore your kidney health. Number 8, nutrition. In Genesis 1:29 and Genesis 3:18, God gives us fruits, nuts, grains, vegetables, and herbs. For example, for kidney health, we can eat calcium-rich food like leafy greens, collard greens, kale, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, mustard greens, turnip, bok choy, edamame, tofu, dried figs, sesame seeds, blackstrap molasses. Vitamin K-rich food like leafy greens, collard, kale, broccoli, cabbage, blueberries, grapes, kiwis, pomegranate, natto, okra, snap peas, and lettuce. Magnesium-rich food like avocados, seeds, legumes, whole grains, leafy greens, bananas, figs, edamame, blackstrap molasses. Vitamin C food like lemons, pineapples, parsley, and others. Omega-3 fatty acids like chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts, and others. Herbs like kelp, dandelion root, cranberry, tribulus, chancapiedra, cleavers, peach leaves, shaved grass, parsley, chamomile, turmeric, gravel root. Supplements like better than green spirulina, chlorella, sea moss, moringa, wheatgrass, milk, thistle, chondroitin sulfate, cod liver oil, berberine, and others. Now let's look at some natural remedies. Number 1, drink 4 cups cleavers, bed straw, goosegrass tea daily. Number 2, drink 4 cups peach leaf tea daily. Number 3, drink 4 cups shaved grass tea daily for 2 to 3 weeks. Number 4, drink parsley tea 3 times a day. Number 5, exercise regularly and daily, like walking, hiking, swimming, rebounding, bouncing on the trampoline. Number 6, avoid dairy, salt, smoking, alcohol, sugar, refined carbs, coffee, tea, sodas, animal protein, and avoid eating between meals. Number 7, boil 6 to 8 beets in 1 quart of water until tender and drink about 3 glasses a day. and try to include cranberries, papaya, bananas, watermelon in your daily meals. Number 8, go on 2 to 3 day juice fast like cucumber, celery, carrot, garlic, potatoes, chamomile, asparagus, parsley, watercress, lemon juice, and coconut water in your juice. Number 9, vitamin C, 1,000 milligrams 2 times a day. Vitamin D3, 5,000 to 10,000 international units a day. Magnesium oxide, 100 milligrams 3 times a day, and try to include some zinc. Vitamin K2, 1,000 micrograms a day. Vitamin B6, pyrisidine, 50 milligrams 2 times a day. Vitamin E, 1,000 IUs a day. Beta carotene, 25,000 IUs 2 times a day. Chelated magnesium, 100 milligrams 2 times a day. Kelp, 1 teaspoon 2 times a day. Dandelion root, scallion, horse grams, stinging nettles, and cinca piedra, 40 drops or 1,000 milligrams 3 times a day. And tribulus, about 750 milligrams a day. Potassium citrate, chondroitin sulfate, berberine, cod liver oil, gravel root, boron amino acid chelate, epigenic. Try to use these until you feel better or until you are healed. Friends, I would like to leave you with 3 John 2. Beloved, I wish above all things that you may prosper and be in health as your soul prospers. Bye for now until my next video. God bless.